I've been hearing a lot about vicarious liability lately. Can you explain what qui facit per alium facit per se means in this context?
Of course. It translates to he who acts through another acts himself. It's a principle in law that holds employers liable for the actions of their employees if those actions occur in the course of their employment.
So, if an employee makes a mistake while doing their job, the employer can be held responsible?
Exactly. For instance, if a delivery driver causes an accident while making a delivery, the company can be liable for damages.
That seems fair. But what about situations where the employee is acting out?
You know, I always thought that if someone didn't know the law, it wouldn't be fair to punish them for it. Like, ignorance is bliss, right?
That's a common misconception. There's this legal maxim, ignorantia juris non excusat. Ignorance of the law is no excuse.
Really? So you're telling me that if I break a law, because I didn't know it existed, I can still get in trouble?
The law expects everyone to be aware of the rules. It's part of being a responsible citizen. If we allowed ignorance as an excuse, it would lead to chaos.
I guess that makes sense. But what if someone genuinely didn't know?
Legal bim bim, can you enlighten me on my right to fair hearing?
Right to fair hearing is one of the cornerstones of justice and constitutional democracy. This right is fundamental because it ensures that no person is condemned, punished, or deprived of their rights without being given an opportunity to be heard. Without fair hearing, justice collapses. In fact, justice delayed may be justice denied, but justice without fair hearing is no justice at all. Fair hearing simply means giving each party to a case or dispute an equal opportunity to present their side before a neutral and unbiased tribunal or authority.
5 things you need to do to grow your page for mobilization. If you have been looking for a way to monetize your page, don't scroll. Here are the relevant things you need. First, post content regularly. Make sure you post either videos, reels or text. Consistency is always the key. When you post regularly, you don't just establish your presence, you are also creating room for monetization. Secondly, use hashtags for your post. Search for hashtags that are relevant and use on your post. Thirdly, join groups that support your views. Don't just be there. Comment on other people's videos. Invite people to follow you, and lastly, ensure you press the follow button and follow me for more tips.